Hi guys, and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you where to find digital code on Amazon. To start this tutorial, open your Amazon application in your mobile device. Once in Amazon, click on your account. It's on the right side next to the home icon. In here, wait for Amazon to finish loading. Once you're here, click on Your Orders. Once you are on your orders, head on over to the word that says Filter, the one with an arrow. All you need to do this time is to click on Filter. Once you do that, you will see Filter by order type. Just click on Digital Orders. And then, by Filter by order date, it should be last 30 days, or depending on your preference. And then all you have to do is click on Apply. In my case, since I do not have any orders, there are no digital codes present. But in your case, since you have made an order and made an inquiry, there should be a digital code found in your orders. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.